This guide aims to explore the effective use of ChatGPT, a powerful language model, as a valuable tool for thesis writing. We will delve into various aspects of thesis writing, including research, outline creation, drafting, and revision, to showcase how ChatGPT can support and enhance the thesis writing process. By following the strategies and best practices outlined in this guide, students and researchers can harness the full potential of ChatGPT to produce well-structured, coherent, and insightful theses. Introduction: writing a thesis is a significant milestone in a student's academic journey. It requires meticulous research, critical analysis, and eloquent expression of ideas. With the advent of advanced artificial intelligence, AI, technologies such as ChatGPT, students now have access to a powerful tool that can assist them in this challenging endeavor. This guide provides a detailed walkthrough of how to effectively use ChatGPT for thesis writing, highlighting its benefits and potential pitfalls. Understanding ChatGPT: before diving into the specifics of thesis writing, it's essential to comprehend the capabilities of ChatGPT fully. ChatGPT is a language model developed using deep learning techniques, which enables it to generate human-like text based on the input provided. It has been trained on a vast corpus of text data and can respond to prompts, questions, and requests in a coherent manner. However, it is essential to remember that ChatGPT is not an expert and should be used as a supportive tool rather than a replacement for rigorous research. Research and topic selection: the foundation of a strong thesis lies in thorough research and a well-defined topic. ChatGPT can be employed to gather preliminary information and suggestions related to potential research topics. By providing relevant keywords or prompts, ChatGPT can generate a list of potential research questions, introduce you to relevant literature, and offer insights into recent trends and developments in your field of study. Thesis outline creation: an organized and comprehensive outline is crucial for a well-structured thesis. ChatGPT can be utilized to generate an initial outline based on the chosen topic and the key points identified during research. However, it is essential to review and refine this generated outline to ensure it aligns with the research objectives and follows a logical flow. Drafting the thesis using ChatGPT: during the drafting stage can be highly beneficial. It can help in expanding on ideas, suggesting supportive arguments, and enhancing the overall coherency of the text. By feeding the language model partial sentences or specific sections, ChatGPT can provide alternative phrasing, offer relevant examples, and even identify potential weaknesses in the argument. Ensuring originality and avoiding plagiarism: while ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for idea generation and expansion, it is essential to ensure that the content produced is original and free from plagiarism. When using ChatGPT, it is advisable to paraphrase the text generated by the model and properly cite any sources used during the research process. Reviewing and revising thesis writing requires multiple rounds of review and revision. ChatGPT can serve as an additional reviewer, providing suggestions for improved clarity, grammar corrections, and identifying any inconsistencies in the text. However, it's crucial to cross-reference these suggestions with other proofreading methods and the writer's critical judgment. Mitigating bias and ethical considerations: AI language models like ChatGPT may sometimes produce biased or unethical content. It is essential to remain vigilant and critically evaluate the output generated by the model. Researchers must take responsibility for identifying and mitigating potential biases, ensuring that the content aligns with ethical guidelines and academic integrity. Limitations and challenges: while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool, it does have limitations. The model might generate inaccurate or nonsensical responses, particularly when confronted with ambiguous or domain-specific queries. Researchers should be aware of these limitations and exercise caution when relying solely on ChatGPT for critical decision-making or content generation. Conclusion: in conclusion, ChatGPT can significantly aid students and researchers in the thesis writing process by providing valuable insights, suggesting ideas, and improving the overall quality of the work. By understanding its strengths, limitations, and ethical considerations, individuals can harness the potential of ChatGPT to create well-structured, coherent, and impactful theses. However, it is crucial to remember that ChatGPT should be used as a supportive tool in conjunction with rigorous research and critical thinking.